Hey guys, it's Baram's free video tutorials again. Today we will be doing ratios, intro to ratios and how to figure out the ratios. And we have 5 questions. We have 5 questions. And remember to like and subscribe. We'll start these 5 questions. I can do other topics if you want, VR and NVR, but just mention down in the comments below. And we'll start now. Question number 1. In a farmyard of the 1/4 of the animals are cows and the rest are sheep. What is the ratio of cows to sheep? In this case, 1/4, it will be 1/4 ratio 3/4 because if you add them, they equal 4/4. So in this case, it would be 1/3. We always take the numerators to make the ratio if it's in a fraction case. So as we said, 1/3, it's going to be the answer. So quickly check. And that's correct. The answer explanation is it says we could subtract, but I prefer adding like 1/4 plus something equals to the 1. You could subtract too. My recommended way is better. Then you'd obviously see it would be 1/3. Now I'll move on to the next question. Share out 15 in a ratio of 1 to 3. So what we do here, we're going to put the ratio 1/2, and the total is 3. And then we have 15, so it's times 5. So we times 5 here, which is 10 ratio 5. So it will be B. And that's correct. Basically the whole answer explanation of what I just did. They used a different method, but my method will still work. I'll move on to the next question. Oh, and everybody, remember you can pause the video to figure out the answer yourself. The fraction of the star counters is 3/5. What's the ratio of the dotted counters to the star counter in its simplest form? So the dotted is 2, so 2/5 to 3/5, that would be 2 to 3. Because, as you see, 2/5, it asks us dotted counters to star counters. So that means it's dotted to star. So 3/5 is stars. So 1 minus 3/5 or something plus 3/5 equals 1, which is 2/5. So 2/5 first, as it asks in the question, as ratio to 3/5. And we take the numerators always to 2 ratio 3. So I'm going to say it's going to be B. And that's correct. Here is the explanation. As it says, the answer right over here, obviously. So, yes. Trixie and Mandy are comparing their grocery shopping. For every red apple, Trixie has, she has four green apples, and for every red apple Mandy has, she has three green apples. Trixie and Mandy have 20 apples each. How many more green apples does Trixie have compared to Mandy? So in this case, there's loads of words. So for every red apple, Trixie, I'll create this Trixie's and this Mandy's. For every red to green, Trixie has four green, and in total, she has 20. So that means she has 80 in total. Oh no, no, no. Sorry. 20 is gonna go here. Wait, sorry. In this case, I'm gonna say that if she has red to green, so R to G equals she has 20 apples each. So we would estimate that that would be 5 and then times 4 and then she has 4. So that means I'm gonna say it's gonna be 1. And that's correct. And here's the answer explanation if anybody needs it. Here. They used a little bit complicated method, but I used an easy one. Easily. And now I'll move on to the next question. At, a car is choosing some sweets and at a pick and mix. He takes He takes three purple sweets for every two orange sweets. He takes a fewer pink sweets because these are most expensive. For every six orange sweets, he takes also one pink sweet. What is the ratio of purple sweets to pink sweets to orange sweets in its simplest form? In the 11 plus exam, you could get three ratios, not two. So in these type of questions, you have to um, calculate it very carefully because you can easily make mistakes. So he takes three purple. Wait, so we're gonna have purple, two, and it says purple for two orange, and he takes a few pink sweets because they're most expensive, and six oranges for also one pink. This is P-I for pink, P-U for purple. And here, so he takes three purple sweets for two orange sweets, and six orange sweets for, wait, two orange sweets, and six orange sweets for one pink sweet. So, here's what we're gonna do. What's the ratio of the purple to blah 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 to pink sweets in the simplest form? Purple to pink. So it won't be in this order. It's gonna be it's gonna be simplified. So this is times three. So times three up here. So it's gonna be a nine in the no. It's gonna be divide by three from going this way. So one here. No. Uh, nine here, sorry. Nine here, six here, and three here. In its simplest form, it's three, no, 9 to 6 to 1. Here. Oh, that's not the answer. You can just read the explanation if you got it wrong. We're trying to find the ratio of purple sweets to pink sweets to orange sweets. We are told that the ratio of orange sweets to pink sweets is 6:1. So far we have. So we don't know the purple, we know the pink, and we know the orange, and pink to orange is 1:6. Then we need to find the value that replaces the question mark. We need to complete the sentence. For every one orange sweet, there are something purple sweets. We're told that for every two orange sweets, there are three purple sweets. So we can maintain the same ratio by multiplying both numbers by the same factor. In this case, we will multiply both numbers by 3. So our ratio containing 6 orange sweets both numbers. So 3 times 3, 9, and 2 times 3, 6 to get 9 to 6. And then we know the purple value. Therefore, the ratio of purple to pink sweets to orange sweets is 9:6:1. The ratio is can be in a bar model too. And well, today that's the end of my session. I hope you enjoyed and remember to like and subscribe. If you would like to do any other topics, just mention in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed. Well, bye now.